Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the tray from the housing. Remove the access panel. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1058 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the housing cover. Reinstall the panel. Reinstall the tray. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.